So in this session, we will talk about how we can get a Salesforce Developer Edition. Okay. So now, as we explained, we are going to work on a project. So now when I want to work on a project, I need some org where I can develop my project. So now, if you want to learn Salesforce and you want to get a Salesforce org where you can work, then Salesforce providing a developer org, which is lifetime free. So we have to sign up to this developer org. If you want to sign up, what you can do, simply go to developer.salesforce.com. Then you can see something called browse trials. There are different products given by Salesforce as a trial mode. We can sign up for that and we can access it. So if you see, there is one more URL, login.salesforce.com. So here you can see try for free. If you go from here, this will give you access only 30 days professional editions. There are different editions as I explained. So to work with a org for lifetime free, what you can do, go to developer.salesforce.com, click on browse trials. Then here you can see Salesforce Developer Edition. Okay, if you want to build any enterprise cloud app, then you can use these editions for your learning purpose. Okay, sign up here. Then you fill the informations like you do the signing in any of the social apps, like you open a Facebook account, for example. You fill your some information. Similar way, you provide your email ID, on which email ID you want to connect this org. Then what is your job role? Then what is the company name you want to set? For example, I am going to set, this is the company name. And what is the country, postal code, okay, and the username. So username is going to be in email format, okay, and these usernames are going to be unique. You can see here, username must be in the form of email address, and it must be unique and cannot be associated with any other Salesforce login. Okay, so what I do here, simply I'm going to set Devasis @learnadmin 2020 to 2023 at gmail.com. Okay, and 2023.com, for example. This is the username I'm setting up. Okay. Now, once you fill all these informations, click on sign me up. So we are agreeing with the MSA, main service agreement. Click sign me up. Okay. So what it will happen now, Salesforce going to give you one email. So one email will come to your email address. This is the email address. So you have to activate the account, which takes a couple of minutes to get your email. So simply open your email and check. So if you receive the email or not to activate Salesforce account. Right. So if you see, now we got the email from developer@salesforce.com to verify the account. Simply click on this verify account. Now it will ask to set your credentials. So you can set your password for the account. So your username, what you have given, now you set the password which you can remember, or you can take a note of it. Okay. And there will be a security questions which you can fill. If anytime you want to reset password, these security questions will come to you. Okay. You have to fill the answer for it. Now, once you do the change password, now you can see you have a Salesforce org, free developer Salesforce edition, which you can access for lifetime. You can do your learning, you can practice, everything is there. Okay, so we'll talk more about what is this UI or screen you see, what more you can do on Salesforce, how to create our project. We'll talk about that soon. Thank you.